Tired of fumbling with cash? Let's unlock the secrets to paying with Revolut at any store, anywhere. First, make sure your Revolut card is activated within the app. Hop into your Revolut app and navigate to the card section. You should see your physical or virtual card. Tap on the card you want to use, then hit Activate Card if you haven't already. For contactless payments, look for the contactless symbol on the POS terminal. It looks like a sideways Wi-Fi symbol. Simply tap your Revolut card against the reader. You may need to enter your PIN for larger transactions. The terminal will prompt you. Make sure your card is close to the reader for it to work. If contactless isn't an option, insert your Revolut card into the chip reader on the POS terminal. Then, carefully enter your 4-digit PIN when prompted and confirm. That's it. Some retailers offer QR code payments. Open your Revolut app, tap the Pay button, and select QR code. Scan the QR code displayed at the till. Enter the amount you need to pay and hit Confirm. Double, triple check it is the right amount before pressing Confirm. And that's it. You're now a Revolut POS Payment Pro. Enjoy the ease and security of using Revolut for all your everyday purchases.